Warning, the following video is part of a series that is for educational purposes only. Please do not enter the deep web unless you know what you're doing. What is happening, guys? My name is Alex. Welcome back to a brand new deep web video, and as you can see, I'm in a really different setting. I have a different microphone because if you guys hear some fizzing sound or some static noise, I'm on a laptop, and I'll show you guys real quick. Right now I'm on a laptop recording this, and I'm using my phone as a microphone because I don't have my real microphone right here. So I'm just using my iPhone to record my voice. So if the quality is a little off than usual, that's basically why. I'm not even in the same room, in the same house. I'm somewhere else right now. And right now in this video, I'm gonna show you guys and explain and tell you guys why it is not safe to go on the deep web with Windows. Now, I can already hear you guys. Alex, you almost made I don't know, almost 50 videos while you go on the deep web with Windows. I found out why you shouldn't go onto the deep web with Windows, because Windows is probably the most popular operating system right now on the market. Maybe it's used like 85% of all computers are running on Windows, and I found the key and why you shouldn't go on. So as you can see right now, we're not on the Tor browser yet. We're just on the regular website on torproject.org, and right here you can also, this is basically where you want to go if you want to download Tor. Now, I already have downloaded Tor in the past, so I'm not going to click on there, but we're going to click on About Tor, and we're going to read a little bit more info about why it is not safe to go onto the deep web and why the Tor exists and everything. So as you can see right now, it says overview. The Tor network is a group of volunteer operated servers that allows people to improve their privacy and security on the internet. Tor's users employ this network by connecting through a series of virtual tunnels rather than making a direct connection, thus allowing both organizations and individuals to share information over public networks without compromising their privacy. Along the same line, Tor is an effective censorship circumvention tool, allowing its users to reach otherwise blocked destinations or content. So let's say that you want to access a YouTube video that is blocked in your country, you can use Tor and to just go around that. So let's see what it says anymore. Where were we? Tor can also be used as a building block to software developers to create new communication tools with the built-in privacy features. Individuals use Tor to keep websites from tracking them and their family members, or to connect to news sites, instant messaging services, or the like when these are blocked by their local internet providers. Tor's hidden services let users publish websites and other services without needing to reveal the location of the site. Individuals also use Tor for social sensitive communication, chat rooms and web forums, or people with illnesses. So what basically happens onto the deep web is the deep web can be Tor actually can be abused by other people to do criminal things, instead of like selling drugs and everything. Tor is not made for that. Tor was created by the US Navy to send files back and forth that should not be seen by the outside world, and people said, yo, we're anonymous anyway, let's try to sell guns, weapons, everything. So that is basically how the deep web developed. So right now we're going to move on to the next thing, which is going to Tails. As you can see, Tails is not a little program, it is an entire operating system. You need to download onto a DVD, a USB stick, or SD card. Now, basically what this does is you can still run this Tails software onto your Windows, but it's going to be a lot safer because, like I said, the deep web is, I would say, so many terabytes bigger than the regular internet. And I don't know, like right now it says Tails is a live operating system. Like I said, it's not a program, it is a live operating system that you can start on almost any computer from a DVD, USB stick, or SD card. It aims at preserving your privacy and anonymity and helps you to 1. Use the internet anonymously and circumvent censorship. All connections to the internet are forced to go through the Tor network. 2. Leave no trace on the computer you're using unless you ask it explicitly. 3. Use state-of-the-art cryptographic tools to encrypt your files, emails, and instant messaging. So like I said, guys, it is basically an operating system you can run on any computer. How this works is we're just going to click on install 2.12. Now it all depends on, like, if you're watching this video like a year from when it's uploaded. A year from when it's uploaded, it probably will be updated anyway, because it also moves along. So if we click on install, you want to make sure that you have an SD card, a DVD, or a USB drive. You want to plug that into your computer, and you just want to click on let's start the journey. Then you're going to pick your operating system: Windows, Mac OS X, Linux, like etc., Debian, Ubuntu, or Mint. I'm just going to click on Windows because I'm on a Windows computer. And let's see what we have right now. We have install from another Tails. We're just going to pick install from Windows. Then, as you can see, we have all the things you need: 2 USB sticks, 2 hours, I think, for it to download, and a smartphone, another computer, or a printer to follow the instructions. So first of all, what you want to do is, when this is finished downloading, you're not going to install it as a floppy disk. You're going to install it regular as an ISO image on your drive, on your USB stick, or on your SD card. So once you've done that, how it works, I'm not going to do that right now because I don't have a USB stick laying around. How this works is you plug it into your computer. You go onto the deep web, you just boot up Tor. You're gonna go on there, and then basically you are pretty safe. What you want to do then next is you want to shut down your computer. When you're done, just take out the USB drive, reboot your computer, and that is basically how you do it. Then you will be completely safe. Because, like, I don't know if you guys are familiar with Some Ordinary Gamers. He also made a video about this, explaining everything, like from Tails to like what to do, how it all works. You guys can probably look it up. And as you can see right now, it says install from Windows, start in Windows, download and verify the Tails ISO image. What I want to recommend is download it with BitTorrent. So as you can see, it says in this step you will download Tails as an ISO image. You just simply mount that. A single file containing the whole operating system. For your security, it is very important to also verify your download, like I said, with BitTorrent. We propose you 2 techniques to do this verification automatically. You seem to be using an unsupported browser. You can download and verify the ISO image via, and then as you can see, we have Firefox 38 Plus or Tor Browser 5 Plus. A Firefox add-on to download and verify Tails automatically. Copy and paste this link on Firefox, and then we have the link, obviously. It says your BitTorrent client verifies your download automatically based on a cryptographic sketchum in the torrent file. If you are knowledgeable about OpenPGP, you can do additional verification using the OpenPGP signature included in the torrent file. Learn how to do this. We have step 2. We have right here, we have plugged the first USB stick in the computer. Click on the following link to download universal USB installer, etc., etc. You can really simple find all the instructions onto the website, like how to install it, and that is basically how to enter the deep web or Tor browser on a Windows PC without any risk, because I read somewhere that Windows connects log files or something, and I don't know. Let's see. Let's just do a little bit of research, guys. Let's go to Google and let's type in use Windows deep web. As you can see right now, we're gonna just click on there. Then we're gonna go to how to search the deep web safely. Right now we are on this website, and they all are saying like that Windows is really tricky. Let's pick another website that explains why it actually is not safe to use Windows on deep web, because if you are accessing Tor with your phone and iPad, you're definitely safe. Let's try to find some links and let's see why it is not safe. Okay guys, so I landed on the website, and right here it says exactly what I'm looking for. So as you can see right now, the Tor browser is your gateway into the dark web. You can actually use it on a Mac and Windows too, but Tails operating system that we just downloaded, It says adds an extra few layers of security and becomes with Tor included. The browser is based on Firefox, so you shouldn't have many problems finding your way around, and will open the Tails OS homepage by default. So I received also, by the way guys, I received a lot of comments on deep web videos like, dude, Tor is just a modded version of Firefox. And right here it says actually the Tor browser, well, this browser is based on Firefox. So as you can see right now, it says, as you might expect, browsing the deep web isn't quite as simple as clicking on a few links or searching Google. The best way is it through hidden wiki links, and it says like this one. Note, you won't be able to click through on any onion links without the Tor browser, and various others you can find via Reddit or some clever web searching on sites like DuckDuckGo. DuckDuckGo is kind of a kind of Google search engine, a search engine along with evil. So right now it says, of course, the whole point of the deep web is that casual internet users can't simply fire up Google or read a guide like this, how to get started easily. So finding working up-to-date links and directories can take some time. Forums, plenty of patience, and occasionally the Tor search engine are your best bets for finding a way into new communities. The deep web has a reputation of shady activity, but is also a place for whistleblowing, Bitcoin exchanges, and political discussion away from the glare of the public internet. It's changed a lot in recent years, and security agencies have become more aware of its presence, and it will continue to evolve in the future. So this is basically how to enter the deep web and why you should not use Windows. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to smash the like button down below for more deep web videos every Monday at 1 p.m. PST. So I want to thank you for watching. This is why you shouldn't use Windows on the deep web on Tor browser. So thank you for the continued support, and I will see you guys in the next video.